There are two samurai districts on the northern and southern plateau in the castle town. This is Kanjoba-no-saka slope. This straight slope connects Kitsuki Castle with the samurai residences of the northern plateau. The only samurai had access to this path. Kanjoba means a sort of tax office in Japanese. The name comes from that there was a government office for tax and payment in the Edo period. A wide stone step on the gradual incline was constructed to fit the stride of the horse and palanquin bearers. Now I can show you stylish Japanese craftsmanship of the Edo period. Go down the stairs 24 steps from the samurai residences towards the castle. Then look at the stones on your foot in the middle of the steps. You can find the Mount Fuji-shaped stones. And one step below it, there's a stone that looks like an upside-down Mount Fuji. Have you ever seen the beautiful picture of two Mount Fuji? One of them is a reflection of Mount Fuji in a lake. The stones represent the Mount Fuji scenery that's considered good luck in Japan. By the way, people write number 4 instead of a word 4 or number 2 instead of a word 2 in English, right? Japanese people do a similar thing. We can read 24 as Nishi in Japanese, which sound is the same as the word west in English. And this town, Kitsuki, is located on the west side of Mount Fuji. Can you guess what I'm gonna say? So, we'd say these 24-step stones as the West Mount Fuji, aka Nishi no Fuji in Japanese. This spot is small Mount Fuji and it may bring you good luck. See? It's smart and stylish. Let's go find it and see it with your own eyes.